Why Vietnamese food is the best. Vietnamese food is often considered some of the best in the world due to its fresh ingredients, bold flavors, and variety of dishes. The use of herbs, fruits, and vegetables in Vietnamese cuisine gives it a unique, refreshing taste and makes it a healthy option. Additionally, Vietnamese food has a strong cultural history and is influenced by the country's French and Chinese heritage, which adds to its appeal. However, the taste is subjective and what is considered the best food is a matter of preference. Vietnamese cuisine is known for its use of a variety of fresh herbs, such as cilantro, mint, and basil, which add flavor and depth to dishes. Fish sauce, nuoc mam, is a staple condiment in Vietnamese cooking and is made from fermented fish and salt. It adds a salty and savory flavor to many dishes. One of the most popular Vietnamese dishes is pho, a rice noodle soup that is served with a variety of meats and garnished with herbs and bean sprouts. Another popular dish is banh mi, a sandwich made with a baguette and filled with various meats, pickled vegetables, and fresh herbs. Vietnamese food is also often very healthy, with many dishes being grilled, steamed, or stir-fried rather than fried. The use of fresh ingredients and minimal cooking oils make Vietnamese food a good choice for those looking for healthier meal options. Overall, the combination of fresh ingredients, bold flavors, and cultural influences make Vietnamese food a delicious and unique cuisine that is enjoyed by many people around the world.